Could Morphware's XMW token be the next leading model in decentralized AI computing, or is it just another dwindling crypto project? Let's dive in. Hi everyone, I'm Shay, and this is Deciphering Crypto, your go-to source for in-depth crypto project reviews. Okay, what is the concept and purpose of Morphware? Morphware aims to decentralize machine learning by connecting data scientists with individuals who have idle computational power. Think of it as the Airbnb for AI computing resources, leveraging blockchain technology to create a marketplace where users can rent out their unused GPU capacity to those needing it. Let's talk about the top 3 features for Morphware. Number 1, mining and Data Center 1 is operational. Morphware has built and operates a mining facility in Paraguay. They've secured energy from the nearby dam. Mining is what processors do when they are not being utilized for AI. Incentivized participation. Users offering their computational power are rewarded with XMW tokens, fostering a community-driven ecosystem. They also have a blockchain integration. Utilizing Ethereum's blockchain ensures transparency and security in transactions between data scientists and resource providers. Next, let's take a look at upcoming features and some of the items that are in the roadmap. First, the AI Model Repository plans to develop a repository for pre-trained AI models, enhancing accessibility for data scientists. Next, we have the mobile platform integration, initiatives to extend the platform compatibility to mobile devices, broadening user engagement. Build data center number 2. They've leased the ground for the second data center. Construction should begin soon. If Morphware can utilize the data centers and clean hydro energy, they will be set apart in a big way. We'll see if they can pull it off. All right, next we have user interface. The Morphware app is straightforward. It utilizes Llama and DeepSeek for an intuitive interface, making it accessible for both tech-savvy users and newcomers. However, the absence of a comprehensive tutorial for first-time users could be a potential drawback. Let's take a look at token utility. The XMW token serves multiple purposes within the Morphware ecosystem. First, it can be used as a payment medium, facilitates transactions between data scientists and computational resource providers. Next is rewards. Users can earn XMW tokens for selling their computational power. Governance, token holders have voting rights on platform upgrades and policy changes. All right, next let's take a look at a very underrated aspect of crypto projects, revenue streams. Morphware has several revenue streams, and their revenue model includes transaction fees. A small percentage fee is charged on transactions between data scientists and research providers. Next, there's going to be premium services offering advanced analytics and priority access to computational resources for a subscription fee. And then there's mining. Mining crypto provides income from CPUs that aren't being leased. Next, let's talk about security. Morphware employs several security measures. Data encryption. All information provided by users is stored on secure servers protected by firewalls. Any payment transactions conducted through the platform are encrypted to safeguard financial data. The second thing is really just kind of funny because it's user responsibility, of course. Users are advised to maintain the confidentiality of their passwords and exercise caution when sharing information in public areas of the website. Yeah, so don't share your password and username on public message boards. Please don't be a dumbass. It's a very great suggestion. I'm glad they included it. Next, let's talk about support and community engagement. Morphware offers accessible customer support through various channels. First is Telegram, active communities where team members frequently engage with users. They are pretty responsive to any questions people have. Twitter, there are regular updates and announcements that keep the community informed. The responsiveness of the team fosters a supportive environment for both new and existing users. All right, reputation and community strength. Follower count, Twitter, they have about 24,000 followers. Telegram, about 5,300 members. Community engagement levels, the community is active with regular discussions, and they do AMAs and collaborative projects. Team transparency, the team is fully doxed with all of the detailed profiles available on their website. Investors and partners, Morphware has secured partnerships with notable AI firms and blockchain projects. Some are Kakarot and ZKEVM and GPU.net and Teller. All right, let's check out the tokenomics. Total token supply is 1.2 billion. The current token price is 6 cents. Market cap is 48 million, and the fully diluted valuation is 76 million. You can buy the token on Uniswap and the central exchange BVOX. So what's the verdict on Morphware? Overall, Morphware brings a unique and powerful vision to the decentralized AI space. The ability to rent out unused GPU power, a decentralized marketplace for machine learning compute, real token utility through compute transactions. But it's not without its challenges. The roadmap needs more clarity, in my opinion. I'm not exactly sure where they're at in the roadmap, and some dates would be beneficial. Investor transparency and long-term revenue streams are still a bit vague, and it's early, meaning there's still execution risk ahead. What do you think? Is Morphware the future of decentralized AI computing? Drop your thoughts in the comments below and let's get a conversation going. All right, what is the market cap potential? If Morphware delivers on its roadmap and adoption grows in the AI and DePIN sectors, we could potentially see $150 to $250 million market cap by the end of the year 2025. But again, that depends heavily on execution and adoption. I appreciate you watching the review. If you found this review helpful, smash that like button. It really helps the channel grow. Subscribe for more deep dive crypto reviews and hit the bell so you'll never miss a drop. I'm also looking for a channel sponsor. If you're a project or a platform that aligns, reach out. And hey, the first week of April, I'm going to be attending Paris Blockchain Week. And I'm really excited to be there. If you're gonna be there and you'd like to get together and meet, or if you have a project you want to talk about, I'd love to get together and meet with you, and I hope I can see you there. And of course, this is not financial advice. Always do your own research before investing in any crypto project. Thank you so much for joining me on Deciphering Crypto. We'll see you next time. Take care.